There's a new Gorilla Tech update. A new microscopic experiment is underway in the basement. Mad scientists have created a laboratory to run some sort of trial, but it's up to you and your friends to discover the solution. But remember, safety first. Gear up with goggles, masks, and other necessary scientific instruments, all available in the store. So let's go look at the store. Alright, we're at store. Hooray. So, we're gonna get the x-ray, the table, this little tinfoil hat, the thing that I don't know the name of, please tell me in the comments. This atom badge, this gas mask, these goggles, this staff looking thing, this magnet, this paper airplane, this magnifying glass, this weird other thing, and a stopwatch. Uh-oh. Those darn skeletons just don't want to stay with us, but that's okay. So before we get to those, they added a new pack called Mad Scientist Pack Purchase, which has a Mad Scientist lab coat with a little ID, a little brain in a jar, a smart brain, and a little laser gun. Anyway, let's get to reviewing.
So this stopwatch, it actually works, which is pretty cool. Darn it. Whatever. Alright, I'll rate the stopwatch a 7 out of 10. This thing, what is it? That's weird. Whoa! The mirror is not supposed to make that noise.
Does it work on any other places? Like this? It works on that. Well, that's kind of cool. I'll give it like a 6 out of 10 though. It's not very useful.
Next is a an ant.
Okay, we got it. I don't like that because it doesn't actually magnify things.
So, alright, next we have the paper airplane. Oh, it flies! That's so cool. I'll give it 9 out of 10. Next is a magnet. Whoa. Looks little electric shocks.
I'm electric! That's crazy. Alright, next we have the staff. Whoa.
Alright, I'll give it like a 6.5 out of 10. It's not very easy to use.
Next are these safety goggles. Safety first, everyone! Alright, so as you can see, you can barely see the safety goggles. The only part you can see are like the little gray parts for like the side of the glasses. I mean, I'll give it, I don't know, 7 out of 10. Actually, I'll give it like a 4 out of 10. Because like, it's not very useful, it doesn't do anything.
Next is this gas mask. Which, honestly, I like the looks of it. Just on the screen, it takes up a little. And that's like one of the things that I don't like about it. So, I'm going to have to give it at least like a 6.5. Next is this little atom thing. I like the little atom thing. It looks pretty cool. So, I'm going to have to give it another 6.5. I mean, it's free. So, price gives it like 7.5. Next is this thing.
Whoa! What the freak? Oh my god, this thing shocks things. What the heck? But I don't really like it. It just doesn't feel right. It looks like a unicorn. I don't want to look like that.
Next is the tinfoil hat.
And also, I give that like a 7.5 out of 10. It's pretty cool.
Alright, next is this thing. It's like a tinfoil hat. Kind of looks like one of those things that people wear to bed. That kind of looks like a Santa hat. I mean, it's kind of cool. I like the physics of it. So I'm going to give it like another 7 out of 10. And finally, the periodic table shirt. Oh, I remembered the name.
Sweet. I'm gonna give it like a 6 out of 10 maybe. Actually, I'll give it an 8 out of 10 because I really like how they use actual periodic table elements to make the word monkey. So overall, I like this update. It's pretty cool. But we haven't even seen basement yet, so let's go look at it. So as you can see, the new basement thing is actually pretty cool if you ask me. All the test tubes and stuff. I think it's all pretty cool. So let's go in there and see what's happening. Yeah, what's that green stuff? Just kidding, I know what that green stuff is. It's like juice or pop, either one. But I mean, with evidence, I can prove that it's like juice. So these things are little Mentos, which makes me think it's pop. Since it's called Monkey Mints, these are supposed to represent Mentos, and this thing's supposed to represent like soda. Maybe it's sparkling juice. Alright, it's blowing up. Let's get to high ground. And while I'm getting up there, I'm gonna tell you guys about this new thing. So this new thing, I think it's pretty cool. Kind of like the floor is lava, just it rises, and a lot of people actually really like it. And there's also some cool posters around here, which we'll get to later. I like that poster. That poster's really cool. So let's just have a timeline of that stuff rising up. Alright, now that bubbles are appearing, we're going to try to hop onto one, because that'll be beneficial for us. Alright, let's just speedrun jumping on these bubbles. 3, 2, 1, go. I got it! Let's go. I have to look inside this chest. It's a cool little shirt. And I'm gonna go try it. 3, 2, 1, teleport! Ooh, I like this shirt. This shirt looks pretty cool. I might put it as my main combo. I don't know yet though. So I mean, let's go back to the basement, shall we? Okay, we're back in basement. And I'm gonna show you guys a cool trick. And if you want to stay like small forever. Alright. We're gonna try to get really up there. Like to where the point the bubbles start to form. Then I'm gonna jump down. And I'm gonna show you guys how to get to be tiny forever. I mean until you get to the door and make yourself watching. You know what I mean. Shh. Dang it! Alright, we're gonna try this again. Go, 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 go! So let's just do time lapse while waiting for all this stuff to come. Okay. Not time lapse though. Alright, we got this. Levels are gonna start coming. So as soon as it's about to get up here, I'll dive down, because that'll give me more time. Alright, and so what you're gonna wanna do is come in this drain before it closes, right? And basically, all you gotta do is fall in there, follow this trail, and boom, you're tiny forever, which is pretty sweet. And now I'm gonna turn back big so I can explain some of these posters to you guys, or at least what I think about them. So let's just try to do a good transition. Alright, we're just gonna speed this up times 2. Alright, now we're back here, and we're bigger. So we'll start with up here. As you can see, the gorillas have found out that we live in the same solar system as the gorillas. If we come over here, these gorillas tried to find out specifically like the core of Earth, which they certainly did. And next, a connection that I saw. So with the kaijus, like the logo, those two logos are the same people, which I find pretty cool. Another thing that I found kind of odd is this. It's a UFO. And if we walk around a little bit, we can see that there's multiple different like flying objects. Like, well, only 2 different flying objects, but like still. We got the UFO and we got the spaceship. I think maybe this spaceship is referencing to the spaceship up inside of shop. Or I don't know. Personally, I like this picture. I don't know who or what it's supposed to be, but all I know is that it looks like a gorilla mixing 2 potions together, and I find that pretty cool. And this is not accurate, right here. It's not accurate because if we were going to forest and if it was nighttime, we would see a circular moon. But these are like gorilla moons, and we don't see like gorilla faces on them. And also, we can see that these guys are probably trying to tell us safety first. Maybe, maybe not, who knows. And this is supposed to be Albert Einstein because this is basically his equation that he found out, and also his hairstyle and the mustache. And also, I don't know what this chemical composition is or whatever, or like what the molecules are. So if you know, tell me in the comments. Or I mean, if I find out, I'll just put it right here. But anyway, that's all the Easter eggs I really know about. I don't know what that is. Maybe, yeah, those 2. I think those 2. I think this is supposed to resemble lightning. Maybe death, if you think about it. It's probably supposed to be the guy getting shocked, but like, who knows? And also, we see that there's other planets. But the thing is, if we come over here, remember that green planet, okay? If you come over here and look at this, there's no green planet. So maybe they've already found a different universe, or a different solar system, which personally I find quite cool. So yeah, that's all I really have to say about all the stuff about this new. But other than that, they added this cool ice fortress back, which they just added like ice blocks back, which is pretty cool. And they also added the little skating thing. I remember watching a video where someone came up here, right, and they just went down the slide and they slid because someone's trying to get into some sort of gland or whatever. I don't know. I couldn't really explain it because I haven't seen that video in like a really long time. By now, it has to have at least been a year. Oh crap! Hold on. Time lapse of me trying to get up here. Ah, so close. Alright, need to get up here. No. Okay, come on. Got this. Yes, got it. Alright, and then what they did, they just like jumped down here, right? They just went flying. Let's see if there's changes to the beach. Maybe there's, maybe there's not, so let's go see. By the way, for the rest of the video, I'm only gonna have one hand because my controller kinda died. Alright. Okay, a few things have changed about beach. Two things that I noticed. Actually, there's only one thing that I noticed. All the ice is gone. Now it's just snow. So, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. And I got there's any updates to any other maps. So, see you guys in the next one. Good peace.